We are back. Let's get to this problem. Problem is called find the index of the first occurrence in a string. It's a mouthful and it's supposed to be easy, but he gave a real simple code and it's supposed to work, but they're saying that it doesn't all the time. So they're not too happy about this guy's code. I mean, some people are happy. You can't please everybody though, and you're finding out the hard way in these coding comments. Coders get angry just like YouTubers get angry in the comment section. Anyway, let's hop into this question. Copy from the bottom to the top and throw this into our editor and see if we can make it make sense. We're gonna use this one because I haven't used this one in a few days. This is my last thumbnail I can make for today, so I gotta make this video right. All right, let's see what it says.
Problem title, find the index of the first occurrence in a string. Problem breakdown, input, 2 strings. 1 haystack, the larger string in which we are searching. 2 needle, the smaller string, substring we are looking for. Task, find the first index in haystack where needle begins. Return the index if the substring exists, if needle is not found in haystack. Examples. 1 input, haystack equals sad but sad, needle equals sad. The first sad starts at index 0. 2. Input, haystack equals LeetCode, needle equals Lido. -1, the substring Lido is not found. Would you like a gamer or anime themed story for this problem? Anime story, The Hidden Cipher. In the Grand Empire of Zentara, there was a legendary scroll known as the Cipher of Origins. This scroll held the secrets to unlocking untold power, but it was encrypted with a strange magical script. Only by finding the first occurrence of a specific sequence, known as the needle pattern in the larger script, called the haystack manuscript, could the cipher reveal its hidden power. The task fell to a young scribe named Akira, who was entrusted with deciphering the scroll. Akira unrolled the massive manuscript and searched carefully for the needle pattern within the sprawling text. If he couldn't find the needle pattern, the power of the cipher would remain dormant, and Zentara would remain vulnerable to the shadow armies of the Obsidian Order. Akira's sharp eyes scanned the scroll, and after hours of searching, he exclaimed, "Found it!" pointing to the exact index where the pattern began. If the pattern wasn't there, he knew to report back with -1, as failure was also a part of his duty. Now let's see how Akira solved this mystical task. Code solution. Java class solution, public int ** string haystack string needle. Step 1, handle edge cases where needle is empty. If needle dot is empty, return 0. Step 2, iterate through haystack to find the first occurrence of needle 4. Int I equals 0, I equals haystack.length nice needle.length, I++. Check if substring from current index matches needle if haystack.substring I needle.length equals needle, return I. Return the starting index if found. Step 3, if needle is not found, return -1, return -1. Explanation. 1 edge case. If needle is empty, we return 0 since an empty string is trivially found at the beginning of any string. 2. Search logic. We loop through haystack and check every substring of length equal to needle. If the substring matches needle, return the starting index. 3. Return -1. If no match is found by the end of the loop, return -1.
Let's go ahead and make this thumbnail. I'm hopeful that this one is good. Our last 2 that we made, not so good, but that right there is the reason why I did this video 3 times, because that is fire. Even though it still spelled the words wrong. Plug this in here. I'm gonna plug this in here and see if it works. Both cases pass. Our next question is going to be text justification. This one is hard. If you like the thumbnail, give it a thumbs up. If you hated the story, give it a thumbs down, and then let me know why you hated the story and what can we do to improve this chat GTP. Anything y'all want to see, let me know. All right, stay tuned to the next video. Peace.